Yeah, well, that's okay. Want to turn your ratchet on so you can hear the drag? So show the kids. Show the kids. Come on, Uncle Josh. They'll be saying, come on, Uncle Josh, show us a shark. They would be, they love fishing. They want to come. I go, no way, as if. Come on, Uncle Josh. Looks like the fish is tired. Josh is tired too.
Alright. Getting close.
Yeah, mate, I'm watching. It's down there, is it?
Getting close.
Bring him over that way, mate.
There he is, colour.
What is it?
I know.
Oh, maybe a Jew. Do you want to hold this, please? Thank you. Yeah, it's ready. Maybe a big Jew. Bring him under there. It's over there.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know.
It's a massive Jew. No, it's
It is a Jew.
Check it out.
it's a Jew.
Check it out.
It's a huge Jew. No, it's an AJ.
Oh.
Big AJ.
Look, I'm just going to have to just go.
Big AJ. Massive AJ. I reckon.
Get his mouth.
Oh, shit.
Get his mouth.
Yeah, just
Got him?
Ready?
yeah, I'm
You
like-
ready to film?
yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, look out!
When is it? I've been hooked.
That's
Jesus.
that's huge.
Look at that little hook. So,
Where'd it go again?
I reckon you had a small fish on.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I reckon,
You reckon you reckon he ate me a small fish?
Yeah.
I just had a small piece of
Nah, that because that's what they use to
Yeah,
catch.
hold that.
That's
And
what,
he's heavy.
that's
Is
what,
it?
I can't fit him. I can't fit him all in the shot. So you're gonna hold him up sideways. That's it.
Sideways?
Yeah. So both of you hold him, like so you can get a length shot of
No,
him.
no.
Okay, John, you hold that side. You hold his leg. You hold his leg.
His tail.
His leg.
Oh, sorry, his
You
tail.
hold his leg.
There you go. There you go. Roll him forward. Look at that. Happy days. Roll him forward. That's it.
Alright.
Happy days.